In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate your desired driving directions using Waze Live Map in Chrome and send them directly to your connected Tesla. This is a simple workflow that can save time and make it much easier to move from planning your route on a computer to starting navigation in your vehicle. To begin, open Chrome and load Waze Live Map. Once the map is on screen, take a moment to create the route you want. Enter your destination, confirm your starting point if needed, and review the path Waze generates. This is a good time to make sure everything looks right before you send anything over. If there are alternate routes available, choose the one that best matches your trip. The goal here is to have your final driving directions fully prepared inside Waze Live Map before moving to the sharing step. After your route is ready, look for the main share routing option in the interface and click it. This opens the sharing panel for the route you just created. Depending on your screen size or browser window layout, the share control may appear as a button, icon, or expanded panel option, so it helps to scan the route summary area carefully. Once you open it, you should see the available ways to pass along that navigation data. From there, select the Tesla Integration Share Target. This is the option that connects the route information from Waze to your Tesla-compatible destination sharing workflow. Choosing the correct share target is important because you want the route to go to your vehicle system rather than being copied as a regular link or sent somewhere else. If you have multiple sharing options visible, make sure you specifically choose the Tesla icon or Tesla linked option. Once that is selected, send the navigation data directly to your connected Tesla. At this stage, the route information is transmitted through the connected vehicle system so it can be received by the car. Give it a moment to process, especially if your browser, network, or vehicle connection takes a few seconds to sync. After the transfer completes, the destination should be available in your Tesla so you can continue the trip from the car without manually re-entering the address. That's the full process. Build the route in Waze Live Map, open the main share option, choose the Tesla integration, and send the navigation data to the vehicle. If you follow each part carefully, the handoff from desktop route planning to in-car navigation should feel smooth and efficient.